Are you looking for the best meat band saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best meat band saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the LEM Product 688 Electric Meat Saw. This LEM Product 688 electric meat saw is one powerful machine that gives good stability for cutting. It comes with a good model and it allows you to cut pieces up to 8 tall. It has a meat pushing guide and it has disassembles for cleaning. It comes with very good blades and with complete instructions for using it. It is not highly priced. It is affordable and many professionals and DIYers choose the LEM 668 meat saw for everyday use. However, this saw comes with only one blade, so you better purchase blades too. Furthermore, it can be very difficult to clean. Up next in the 4th place is the Stark USA 2-in-1 Commercial Butcher Band Saw. This is a 2-in-1 professional meat cutting band saw that can be used in supermarkets, meat markets, or at home. It is a powerful machine that complies with every hygiene standard possible. It is easy to clean because of its stainless design. Furthermore, it comes with a sausage attachment, which makes it possible to make sausage easy. It is tested and certified. It is convenient, and it can be moved around easily. It is not expensive, and it is considered to be best for its value. However, the instructions provided are not very good and some people say it is of very poor quality. The 3rd product on our list is the VEVOR 110V Bone Saw Machine. This is a very powerful machine, which is offered for a very good price and considered to be one of the best for its price. It is a commercial machine mostly used by professionals. You can cut frozen meat and bones. It is equipped with good safety features, and it also comes with extra blades. It is easy to clean, that's why it complies with high hygiene standards. The bolts it comes with are of a very high quality. Furthermore, the motor is very powerful. However, it is not portable and transportation problems may cause the saw blades to lose or even to fall. Second on our list is the KWSB 210 Countertop Electric Meat Band Saw. The KWSB 210 is a good machine, used in many butcher shops that have to cut meat and fish. It is not expensive and can be considered as best for its price. It has a powerful motor and can cut up to 6 inches thick meat. It has very good safety features. If the machine's outer cover is opened, it will stop working. It is one of the easiest machines to be cleaned and comes with an extra blade. However, it may break down easily. However, this machine is a very expensive option. It can be considered as best for its value. Finally, the top product on our list is the Guide Gear Electric Meat Cutting Band Saw and Grinder. The Guide Gear Electric Meat Cutting Band Saw is a good tool for professionals, but for DIYers too. It is an easy-to-use machine that can cut through bone and frozen meat. It has very good safety features too. It is not expensive, and it has a very good and portable design. You can easily put it in your garage without needing too much space. It is considered a budget option. However, it may take a lot of time to clean it up. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.